Here's a pair of the Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speakers. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV. It's the same for the Amazon Fire TV sticks as well. So first thing we want to do is put the speakers into pairing mode. We'll know that these speakers are in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, so let's turn the speakers on first. Let me press and hold this power button for a few seconds. After it turns on, wait for another few seconds and just wait to see if it's blinking blue here. Okay, so mine's blinking blue, mine's in pairing mode. If you have a solid blue light on yours, and you're probably connected to your phone or another device near you, if that's the case, just simply press the Bluetooth button here, just tap it once, and then it's going to start blinking blue. Okay, anyway, we're in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to the TV, go directly to your settings, or just click on the home button, go to the home page, and just navigate to the settings icon all the way to the middle right. Once you're there, just go directly down, and you want to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, select that. From here, we're going to go all the way down to other Bluetooth devices, select that. And now we're going to scroll all the way down. These are my other earbuds and headphones I have paired to this TV here, but we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet so Bluetooth range. It's still blinking blue, so it's in pairing mode, so just wait till it pops up. It did pop up, Soundcore 2 right there. It's already highlighted. Let's select it. It says pairing. Come on. It's trying to pair. Hey, there you go. Connected, ready to go. Yep, volume works on there. Anyway, we're connected. If I go all the way up here, you can see the Soundcore. We are connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset the speakers. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.